What's up, and welcome back to another video. And this video is actually it's been some time. It's been some time since I've done a face-to-face video, so I felt like it was needed. And of course, I got my mic. I think this is the first time I'm doing a face-to-face video with my mic, so you can actually see it and hear how it sounds, which honestly, it's so much fun. It's game changing, so then that way I can exclude, right, like any noise that you hear from the background. But anyways, none of that chit chat. Let's get into it. So today I'm actually going to be doing one of my favorite go-to snacks, high protein, low carb. It's healthy, full of antioxidants and vitamins. High protein again, right? If I haven't already said that. And it's guilt-free and it tastes so freaking amazing. Okay. So I'm gonna show you first, walk you around the different products I have here, the things that we need to create this snack, right? So let's get to it. Okay, so we have here, first and foremost, right, we have the Greek non-fat yogurt, plain 0% milk fats, and this is from Trader Joe's. But honestly, you can get whichever like yogurt you want to get. This is just happened to be the one that I got. I honestly, the one that I do use the most and I better like to use is the Too Good brand vanilla. But it is what it is, right? This is still a good option as well. If anything, I think this is actually better because again, it's plain, so there's already like no sugar added. But the Too Good one is really good because it's low carb. It doesn't have a lot of sugar. So over here you can see, right, the reason why you want to do plain, it's so you don't have a lot of sugar, and then also too, it's higher in protein, it's lower in carbs, right? These are the things that you want to look at when it comes to building your meals, building a snack, right? So, and then the great thing too is that I can actually use this as like sour cream, and trust me, yes, it tastes good, right? And then I'm gonna mix this with the beverage mix here. This is wild berry as like a natural sweetener, and then this is an extra protein, right? So it's 15 grams of protein if I do 2 scoops, but I'm only gonna do 1 scoop, right? So that's about what, like a 7.5, right? Yeah, 7.5 grams of protein plus here, which is 7 grams. So I mean, I am not the best with mental math, but that is about what, 14.5, right? Yeah, 14.5 protein just with these two, right? Just with these two, right? The main ingredient here that I want to be using is protein, because again, when it comes to trying to like lose weight, living a healthy lifestyle, the goal is to always have higher protein than anything else. Then you know, carbs, and then you have your healthy fats, right? And then of course lower sugars, right? So fruits I like to use are berries, because berries are lower in sugar and they also too lower in carbs. So I have here raspberries that we're going to be using, blueberries, strawberries, and pomegranate seeds. So for some extra benefits, we have here is the chia seeds. This is just now, these are just extra toppings. This is not, I mean, it's optional, you can basically say. So this is optional. I have the coconut flakes, and I have some granola here, and then peanut butter. This is also too optional, but if anything, I would rather suggest these two if you're not too crazy with this, or if you really, really, really want to be like super strict, then forget about these two and then just add your peanut butter and add your chia seed. But let me just say, with the peanut butter, oh my gosh, it makes such a huge difference in your yogurt. It tastes so good. And then of course, again, it's added protein, so it's extra protein, right? So we have about 8 grams of protein here, and that's just with 2 tablespoons. So I typically just do 1 tablespoon, and then that will give me about so this is about 4, right? This is 4. Oh my god. Why did I just have like a brain fart moment? I don't know. So 4 grams of protein, right? And so like I said, with the beverage mix and then the yogurt, we are at 14.5, and then plus 4, so 18.5 grams of protein, right? And then the reason why I like to use this one as well is because it's more organic. It's just literally organic peanut butter and sea salt. So always get ones that are like this. Is unsweetened, creamy, organic. It's so much better, right? And then also too, lower carbs, right? Okay, so there you have it. So now let's build it up. But first, let me get some hydration in because I feel like my mouth is just like super dry. Even Joy's drinking water. I don't know if you can hear it. Hair up. We don't want no hair in our food. The hair is up. Okay, so I have my bowl in here, right? So now I'm going to scoop up my protein. Let me just start by saying I am not like the best measure, honestly. I mean, in the very beginning, for especially if you're just starting off, I would definitely recommend for you to measure your food. But if you've already been doing this for some time, you can just eyeball it. So I mean, ideally you would want to do so the serving size is 3/4 of a cup. The 3/4 of a cup. I don't feel like dirtying too much dishes. So 3/4 of a cup is like about 36 teaspoons, but those are like really small teaspoons. So let's just say about this right here is about 2 tablespoons. Honestly, I just like to say it's pretty much, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I added my yogurt in there. And this right here is pretty much 3/4 of a cup. Okay. This is about 3/4 of a cup. It's not a lot, but with all the ingredients added together, it is a lot. And you're going to be like super full. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the protein drink mix. This is wild berry. So this, again, I like adding this because it's like a natural, a more natural like sweetener rather than, you know, having to get like yogurt that is already has like added sugar and everything. So I just add this because again, it's extra protein. And if you're interested in the protein drink mix, you want to know how you can get it, definitely make sure that you reach out to me. I do not, I'm going to emphasize this, do not, okay, purchase any Herbalife products from Amazon, Walmart, eBay. Like, please do not, because you're not even really sure if this is even really coming from the warehouse. That's one. But another thing too is that you don't even know if this is expired products, if this is real products or not, if this is, you know, if it's been stored improperly, you know, like you just don't know. You don't know. It's like basically, I don't even know. It's like buying, I don't even know how to explain it, right? It's just buying like fake product from a third party website, and you don't even know if it's the real thing because it's not coming from the main manufacturer, right? So in order for you to really make sure that your product is secured and your product is safe and is coming from the manufacturer, you would have to get it from a distributor. I am a distributor. I am a coach. I've been doing this now for 3 years. So reach out to me if you would like to, you know, get yourself some the protein drink mix to add it within your meals, your snacks, however. Or if not, you can also drink it like a juice, and it tastes really, really good. I actually like that, right? So that is a quick side note, right? So okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our fresh berries. These are already pre-washed. I just tend to leave them in the container, right? Okay, so now I'm just gonna add about a handful of fruits. So I have here 4 raspberries. Okay, so 4 raspberries, and now we're going to add our blueberries. Again, it's gonna take like a small handful. This is my small handful here. Okay, and now my favorite part, which is the strawberries. And Joy's literally like just staring at me like she's waiting for me to give her some. She's just like, are you gonna give me some? But check out these strawberries. Oh my gosh, they're like so big and so juicy. Whoa. I am definitely going to give a strawberry to Joy because I love giving my doggy some fresh food at times as a snack. So I'm just gonna rinse these off again, and I'm going to cut them. Now, it doesn't matter how you cut them. You can cut your fruits however you please, right? So first and foremost, you want to cut off the head, and then I'm trying to think about how I want to cut this for the for my plates. Okay, so we're gonna cut like this. Don't mind me. Give the rest of this to Joy. Here. Do you want to see? Oh my goodness, this is a good girl, Mama. Here you go. It's a good girl. Oh, she is the cutest. You like it? Isn't she the cutest? Like, I'm obsessed with her. She loves strawberries. She loves them. Good strawberry. Okay. Oh, we're going to add our pomegranate seeds. Listen, let me tell you. Let me tell you about pomegranate. Pomegranate seeds are like the best. So I'm going to clean my spoon real quick. 1 teaspoon. And I'm just going to sprinkle it there. Just like that. Butter. We're going to drizzle peanut butter. Again, how you decide to design this is honestly is just up to you. Seeds, you can say about 1/2 teaspoon. Coconut flakes, about same thing, half a teaspoon. The granola bars, so about a teaspoon. Oof, my goodness, this looks so good. Done. So you are just seeing like the round side, and now like let me just turn the camera around.